I'm young, I'm 24 years old, I don't have any credit, I don't have any debt, any student loans or anything, and I just want to start building my credit so I can start to, maybe buy a car someday, get my own apartment here in New York City, and I just want to know what's the best possible way to start building my own credit.
Establishing good credit has never been more important. You need a solid credit history to qualify for decent rates when you're ready to buy a home or a car. But your credit record may also be looked at when you apply for a job, buy a cell phone, or need car or home insurance. The good news is that if you're just starting out and have no credit, you don't have any blemishes on your credit record like a late payment or bankruptcy, which can haunt you for years. To establish your own credit, start by getting a copy of your credit report from each of the 3 major credit rating bureaus. You can get a free annual look at your reports from annualcreditreport.com. Even though you don't have any debt, you want to make sure there are no mistakes or that someone else's credit information isn't mixed up with yours. If you don't already have a bank account, open one up. Lenders consider that a sign of stability. Make sure you pay your bills on time because late payments or delinquent accounts can be reported to the credit bureaus and hurt your credit score. To build credit, you need to show that you're responsible for borrowing money and paying it back in a timely way. While credit cards can be a double-edged sword, they come with high interest rates and lots of fees, it's a good idea to have at least one credit card that you can use regularly and pay it off at the end of each month. Just don't charge more than you can afford to pay off in 1 month. Look for a card with no annual fee and a low rate. If you don't qualify for a regular credit card, you can apply for a secured card, which requires you to put down money with a card issuer for a deposit. That amount that you put down, usually a few $100s, is your credit limit, but after a year or so of on-time payments, you should be able to convert that to a regular credit card. Go to Bankrate.com for a list of secure credit card issuers. You can also apply for a store card or a gas card, but use it the same way. Pay it on time and pay the balance off every time you get a bill. It's important to have a mix of credit on your record, so after a year or so of using plastic responsibly, you could apply for a small installment loan, say for a car or school expenses. Paying that off regularly and on time will help you build a solid credit history.